Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study business studies for Cuet Easy Method. Start by mapping the syllabus into weekly goals and prioritize core concepts. Focus on understanding definitions, diagrams, and formulas, then practice past papers under timed conditions. Use active recall and spaced repetition rather than passive rereading. Pair theory with simple real-world examples to make topics memorable and exam-ready. Keep short daily reviews and track progress with clear milestones. Start with a clear weekly plan that carves out focused study blocks and short breaks. Use one session for new topics, one for revision, and one for practice questions each day. Mark topics you miss frequently and schedule targeted reviews to fix weak areas. Mix short summary notes with mind maps to cement connections. Review progress weekly and adjust your plan so practice always targets your current weaknesses and builds confidence. Practice actively by writing short answers from memory and correcting them right away to lock learning. Use flashcards and spaced repetition for definitions, key models, and important ratios. Convert theory into one or two simple real-world examples to aid recall during exams. Simulate exam timing regularly to build pace and reduce stress. Discuss tricky questions with peers or mentors to expose blind spots and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.